with on here, and today I've got another video for you guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to crack a stealth server. So this will only work on scary servers, so basically every server apart from Ninja or Rebellion I think it's called. So yeah, so for the example I'm going to be using Deception Live. So basically first thing you want to do is you want to get the files that you want to crack the server for. And then just wait for it. And then you want to basically get the XeX. So I'm just going to put the XeX here in this folder, and I'm just going to create another folder within inside this folder, and I'm just going to call it, oh why is it so slow today, normal XeX. Just that, and I'm just going to drag this into here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to open up this XeX in IDA. So IDA will be down in the description, and you want to open up the normal one. You don't want to open up the 64, but you want to open up the other one. So just wait for it to load. I do apologise, my computer has been very slow today. Yeah, you also need the crack script, which I will supply in the description, and you also need HXD, which again I will put a link in the description for. So IDA is taking forever to load. I do apologise about this. My computer has been very slow, and I had to reboot it, and it's just basically rebooting for like it's just like, oh crap, it's just rebooted there. So basically once you're at IDA, you want to set it as PowerPC. You want to set it as PowerPC Big Endian. I think that's how you say it. Can never say it, but yeah. After you've got this, you want to set it set. You want to click set, and then you want to press OK. Then you want to wait for it to load the XeX, and once it's loaded the XeX, just make IDA full. So basically, as you can see, I've only got IDA view, strings, and hex view. They're the only windows you need. So basically, if you don't know how to do that, go to view and open subviews, and then you just go to strings. Strings are the only one we will be using. So IDA view and strings will be the only one we are using in this tutorial. Basically, just to start off, we're just going to find out where the server loads from the USB and the HDD. So basically, to do that, open up the strings window, press Alt T, and then just type USB. And then just keep on going through until you see this one. You want to get the USB, and then you want to get with the server named XeX. So basically what you want to do then is just copy the address. Copy the address and put it in here for the script, for the USB path. Then you want to get the HDD address, just copy that, and again paste in the HDD path. Now we're going to be finding the address that branches to HV peak bytes. The reason why I've got two is because this server needs two of them to actually get cracked. So basically to find that, you want to press Alt B, and you want to type this out. Now this will be down in the description. So after you've got it in, you want to just press OK. Then you'll get this. And this is what you would call, this is what you call the HV expansion call. And so basically you can just rename this function to HV expansion call, and 0x71 is the system call basically. So after you've done that, this is just basically building up to finding the two addresses that we need. This is just a very easy way of doing it. Then what you want to do is you want to find where HV peak bytes is. So to do that, press Ctrl and X. Then you want to press, it's usually the first one, so click on the first one, and if it looks something like this, then you've found the right one. So basically just rename this function to HV peak bytes, just like that. Next thing you want to do is you want to find where the addresses where it's going to branch to it. So basically to do that you want to press Alt T, and then this again will be down in the description. And you want to just search for it. You want to click on this, and then it will look like something like this. That's how you know it's right. What we need is, we need this one, and we need this one, because it's under LI R3 0x20. And if you don't know what ILI means, it means load immediate. And PowerPC. So basically we can just copy these two. I would do in order, so copy this one, put it into here, and then just do the exact same with this one, and put it into here. Now what we have to do is find the CPU key patch. To find this, we just look at this, the UNK above the 0x20, and we basically just copy the address for that. So just copy it, paste it in here, and then again just copy it, paste it in here. So now what we have to do is get a CPU key for the server. This will not work if you cannot use this method if you don't have a CPU key for the server. So basically, just to get one, you can either ask a friend who's on the server, or you can break your way into the panel. I will not show you guys how to do that. Basically, you want to just get a CPU key and you want to just split it in half. So just put this here and put this here. So I'm going to copy this, put it down here, just like that. So now basically that's us done with IDA and the script. We're almost halfway there. So basically just save the script, close down this, close down this, close down IDA, and then what you want to do is you want to get the XeX that we just used, and you want to put it in the same folder as XE patch and stuff. Everything that I've used will be down in the description apart from the Deception XeX. If you want to try that yourself, then you can get it yourself. So basically now what we want to do is, before we finish, is get the normal XeX we've not edited and open it in HXD. I'm going to go to File and Save, and then you want to just save it as crack.bin, just like that. Now what we want to do is basically just want to drag that into the folder as well. Pardon me, sorry. And now what I would recommend doing is getting a notepad. This command will be down in the description as well, and the command is xepatcher. Wait a minute, I make sure I just spell it right, because last time I spelled it wrong and it'll mess up the full thing if you spell it wrong. xepatcher.exe, and then patch, and then it's just the script that we need, like this. .s, and then this x, and then we just need the XeX name, so just like this, and deception.xex, that would be mine, and then what you basically want to do is copy this. Now you want to do is you want to hold down shift and you want to right click in here. Then you want to click hold command window, open command window, sorry, and then you want to just paste in the command. It'll take a while. It won't take a while, I will just, patch everything, and fail to patch, wait what? Wait a second, I've done something wrong here. Wait. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wait, okay. Okay, I know I've done wrong. So do this. That was stupid. Sorry about that. If you make an error, this is pardon me. If you make an error, this is why you keep a backup of the XeX. Basically, I didn't highlight the full address, so I'm just going to find that again. So very quickly. Oops. Where is it? What one was it? It was the first one, which is this one. So yeah, paste, save. There we go. Okay, drag this in here. Delete this. Whoops. And then just do the exact same thing, the command and everything. And then, as you can see, everything is correct. And the way we check if it's correct, if you've done it correctly, we just open up IDA, and wait for it to load, and then what we do is we just check what we've changed. So USB, oops, now you can see it's changed, okay, but we also want to check if we have knopped both of the bits that we were meant to. So just come here, as you can see the first bit has been knopped correctly and the second bit has been knopped correctly. So that's basically how you crack a stealth server. If it's a skiddy one, the reason why there's two in this is because obviously there's two checks here, so you have to knot both of them. So basically if there's more than one 0x20, load immediate R3 0x20 in here, just add an extra one for each one. So yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe and comment. If you guys want me to do this again, like completely redo it, if I was mumbling or anything like that, then please just say and I'll redo it for tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.